Hello folks, this is a woodpecker pecking on my tree. He's right there pecking on this tree. This particular tree been here for about 10 years. It never did grow properly. It's a Chinese elm tree. But about 3 months ago, there was a woodpecker in this tree. He pecked all on it, up and down. I googled and see why do woodpeckers peck on trees, and it said that sometimes it's a mating call or he's looking for food. But anyway, after he pecked on this tree after some time, this tree started giving green leaves and started growing more. I thought it was dead when he got through with it. He put so many holes in it. And my line then, I don't know if I believe he helped it. So there you have it, a woodpecker. He has something in his brain that cushions his brain in order for him to peck continuously like that. Something that human beings don't have. That's why you have head cushions, head trauma on football players. They don't have that cushion in their brain. So there you have it, a woodpecker pecking on the tree.